Docker versus virtual machines, a deep dive. In this video, we will explore the fundamental differences between Docker and virtual machines, focusing on their architectures, resource efficiency, portability, and use cases. Docker and virtual machines, VMs, are both technologies that create isolated environments for applications, but they operate differently. VMs run on a hypervisor, requiring a full operating system for each instance, which can be resource-heavy. In contrast, Docker containers share the host OS kernel, making them lightweight and faster to start. Virtual machines. Docker runs on a hypervisor with a full OS for each VM. Runs containers that share the host OS kernel. Higher resource consumption due to full OS. More resource efficient, only includes application and dependencies. Complex to move between different hypervisors. Easily portable across environments with minimal changes. Ideal for legacy applications needing full OS isolation. Best for microservices and modern applications. When to use virtual machines. For applications requiring strict isolation and a full OS. When you need to run legacy software that cannot be containerized. When to use Docker. For developing and deploying microservices architectures. When you need fast scaling and efficient resource utilization. In summary, Docker offers a lightweight, efficient, and portable solution for modern applications, while virtual machines provide a traditional approach with full OS isolation. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this comparison helps you understand the strengths and weaknesses of Docker and virtual machines.